Hello, students. Good morning. Welcome to the class. Our subject is psychology for nurses. And today we are going to study about stress. So, let us discuss a matter what are all related to stress. Now, definitely, each day in our life or any point of our life, definitely we all experience stress. Now, what do you mean by this stress? Now, Selye has given a definition. Stress is any kind of a non-specific response of a body when any demand made upon it. Okay, this is what you mean by stress. When you make any demand on your body, then immediate reaction what your body gives, that's what called stress. Now, what is stressor? Any person or any situation that cause stress in individual. In that case, that particular stimulus, event or person is called a stressor. Understood? It may be anything, maybe a person, object, or maybe see I'm sitting here, all of a sudden I can see a snake here near to this door. Then immediately I'll get a stress. I'll be panic. Now this object, what snake I can see, that object is a stressor. Now here types of stressor. Now stressor are divided into four categories. Environmental stressor, physiological stressor, socio-cultural stressor, and thought. First is environmental stressor. Now, a matter related to environment like noise, pollution, overcrowding, flood, natural calamities, or any incident which related to our environment that make us to feel stress. That's called environmental stressor. Next, physiological stressor. It is related to my health now, my body. Any kind of sickness, uneasiness, any physical abnormalities, deformities like maybe a blind, deaf, where you're not able to speak, dumb. See, these all may cause us physiological stressor or any kind of chronic illness. All of a sudden, you diagnosed with a serious kind of disorders like cancer, HIV, AIDS, something like that. So, this is called physiological stressor. Next, social stressor, the social cultural factors like rules, regulations, social norms, beliefs, some practices that cause the stressor. Now, for example, I can give you an example. See, we have a belief that like girls are not supposed to go outside the house after 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, or the girls are not supposed to come home late, they cannot go for late night parties. Even meantime, boys can do all that. See, definitely now these social rules, yeah, social practice what we got definitely causes stress in a young adult and girls. So this is social stressor. The fourth one is thought. Your thought, negative feelings, negativism, any perfectionism. See, these all factors may disturb you very badly. Then that will be your stressor. So these are the main four types of stressor. You understood stress, stressor. Now, what is the effect of stress? Now, we definitely have two type of stress, positive stress and negative stress, and all the time we cannot say that the stress is harmful. Sometimes the stress is really useful. This will really help us to finish our task. Imagine example, I'll tell you, or maybe a teacher will give you an assignment that you submit on Monday. So till Saturday you are not touching the book, and Saturday you will get that alarm reaction, alarm that Monday you have to submit. See, you will face the stress now. So immediately, somehow, Saturday, Sunday, you sit overnight and you will complete that assignment, and Monday you will submit. See, this is a positive kind of stress. You stress, I can say. And even in like final exams, definitely you will get that stress, and you work hard, you study well, and you do your best in your exams. You get pass with A grade. like whenever you have any performance, a dance show, or anything, any competition, because of stress, definitely you give your 100%. See, this is like positive kind of stress. Definitely, everyone experience this kind of stress. Eustress, we call it. Now, let us speak something negative about the stress. What happens when an individual is continuously exposed to this stress? They are not able to pay the attention, concentration will be disturbed. They are not able to focus on the matter or the work what they are doing. They are not able to reach the task when they are taking this stress excessively. They are get involved in all these preoccupied ideas and they are not able to perform their work. Also, when the person, individual is constantly experiencing this stress, then that stress may lead to a kind of physical disorders. This we call it as psychosomatic illness. They may develop with cardiac problem, hypertension, diabetes. Some people may develop this gastritis. See, because of a stress, they are experiencing a physical disorders. Now, if you take about the students, maybe because of stress, maybe exam stress, they will not take a food on time, proper nutrition may not meet, they will not sleep, many nights they will miss their sleep. See, that again adverse effect on their health. Now, because of some stress, chances are there that individual may addict with certain addictions, substance abuse. They may start taking alcohol. Some may feel very happy, very relaxed when they have this puff, smoking or taking any drugs to keep them mentally relaxed. They feel that, yes, I get a kick. I feel much relaxed. You see that? Now, this is called, because of stress, you get involved in a different kind of disorders, substance use disorders. Definitely, when the person take alcohol, he will be addicted to the problem, and actually he is not solving the problem. Instead of that, he is inviting many more problems in his life. So these all are the effect what we can see. Definitely their health will get affected, memory function, they are not able to perform well. Social relationship, definitely because of excessive stress what they are taking, they are not able to cope with the problem, they are not able to maintain a healthy social relationship others. Mindful of stress, when someone say just hi, they will lose their patience, they'll start scolding, yeah, they will blast on them. So they are not able to maintain that social relationship. Even financially they are not able to cope with the problems, they are not able to handle with the money, they are not able to solve their financial problems, they are not able to meet their personal needs, as well as they are not able to solve their personal problems. Okay, so these all are the problems. What I can say is these all are the effect of stress on individual. These all are the effect on stress, effect of the stress. Now definitely when the individual is not able to cope with the stress, not able to deal, it will really have an adverse effect on their life. Okay students, I am going to summarize. We studied about stress. It is a non-specific response of your body when the demand, any kind of demand made on that. Stressor are like physiological, environmental, social and thought. 4 type of stressor are and the different effect of stress on their life. I hope you understood. Please keep reading and keep watching. We'll study little more about this stress in the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you all.